Hey YouTube, so thought I'd show you what I picked up today. So these are the 22s I did have. I don't know what I have in here, 2,000 or 3,000 rounds maybe. That ammo can. Picked up a nice little gun case for this Henry 22. 20 bucks for that. Got Wholesale Sports. So yeah, it's a sweet little 22 this guy. Can't go wrong with a Henry 22. Anyways, so I went to my buddy today and he got me, boom, big brick of CCI. Put that one over there. Another one. Yeah, hollow points. And 22 long rifle Stinger. Yeah, pretty sweet. Another box of Stingers. Yeah. So there's a few 22 there. Another brick of CCI 22s, hollow points. Yeah. Boom, another one. Yeah, check that out. More CCI, 300 rounds. So you guys know that they're in there. And another one. Very cool. And a couple of bricks of Yellow Jackets. Yeah, there's one. Two. Check that shit out. And yeah, Thunderbolt. Boom, another one. So yeah, these 22 should last me for a day or two, I think. So yeah, I got quite a bit now. So, well, thanks for watching. Hope I didn't make anybody jealous.